Welcome to our channel, let's get summarized. Today, we're diving into the cosmos to uncover some truly mind-blowing facts about life on distant planets. Buckle up because this is going to be an interstellar journey you won't forget. Just imagine, out there beyond the familiar glow of our sun, lie countless stars, each with its own family of planets. Worlds of unimaginable beauty, shrouded in mystery, beckon us to explore the most profound question ever asked. Are we alone? The universe is vast, older than time itself, filled with more stars than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. And within this cosmic ocean, the ingredients for life, once thought to be rare and unique, are turning out to be more common than we ever dared to dream. For centuries, humans have looked up at the night sky and wondered if other life forms gaze back at us. That wonder has fueled our imaginations and driven us to explore the cosmos. And what we're finding is truly astonishing. Consider this, our Milky Way galaxy, a swirling city of billions of stars, could be home to billions of Earth-like planets. That's right, billions. These are worlds much like our own, orbiting their stars at just the right distance for liquid water to exist on their surfaces. We call this region the habitable zone, a cosmic sweet spot where the conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, like Goldilocks porridge. And in this galactic real estate boom, Earth-sized planets in the habitable zone are not the exception. They might be the rule. Think about that for a moment. If even a tiny fraction of those Earth-like planets harbor life, the universe would be teeming with it. It's a staggering thought, one that ignites our curiosity and compels us to search for answers. But finding life beyond Earth isn't just about looking for planets that look like ours, it's about expanding our definition of life itself. The universe is full of surprises, and we must be prepared to meet life as we've never imagined it. So join me as we embark on this journey of cosmic discovery, a quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe and confront the awe-inspiring possibility that we are not alone. Imagine a star, blazing with energy, its light and heat radiating out into the vastness of space. Now picture a planet, orbiting that star, bathed in its warmth, but not too close, not too far, just the right distance to make it suitable for life as we know it. That, my friends, is the Goldilocks Zone. It's a region around a star where temperatures are neither too hot nor too cold, allowing for the existence of liquid water, the lifeblood of our planet, and we believe a crucial ingredient for life elsewhere in the universe. Water is an extraordinary solvent, capable of dissolving and transporting the molecules necessary for life's intricate dance. On Earth, water cycles from oceans to clouds to rain, carving canyons, nurturing forests, and providing the essential backdrop for life's grand drama to unfold. And just as water shapes our planet, it could be shaping countless others, hidden amongst the stars. Finding planets in the Goldilocks Zone is like finding cosmic oases in the vast desert of space. It's a reason for hope, a beacon that tells us life, in some form, might be more common than we once thought. But the existence of a habitable zone is just the beginning. It's an invitation to explore further, to peer into the atmospheres of these distant worlds and search for the telltale signs of life. The search for life beyond Earth is a search for ourselves, a quest to understand our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. And as we delve deeper into the universe's mysteries, we must remember that the most profound discoveries often challenge our preconceptions and redefine what we thought we knew. Imagine holding a prism up to starlight, splitting it into its constituent colors, a rainbow of information revealing the secrets of distant suns. Now, imagine doing the same thing with the atmosphere of an alien world. That's what astronomers are doing with powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. They're analyzing the starlight that filters through the atmospheres of exoplanets, those worlds orbiting distant stars, searching for clues, for whispers of life etched in the very air they breathe. These whispers come in the form of biosignatures, gases like oxygen, methane, or ozone, that could indicate the presence of life. On Earth, these gases are constantly replenished by living organisms. Their presence in an exoplanet's atmosphere could be a tantalizing hint that we are not alone. Of course, not all gases are created equal. Some can be produced by geological processes, mimicking the signs of life. That's why scientists are looking for combinations of gases, for patterns that could only be explained by the presence of living organisms. Imagine the excitement in a laboratory, years from now, when a team of scientists huddled around a computer screen see that telltale signature, the unmistakable fingerprint of life, in the atmosphere of a distant world. It would be a moment for the history books, a paradigm shift in our understanding of our place in the universe. The search for biosignatures is like listening to a faint whisper across a crowded room. It requires patience, ingenuity, and cutting-edge technology. But the reward, the knowledge that we are not alone in the universe, would be worth more than all the gold in the cosmos. We humans, we are carbon-based life forms. Our very existence is intricately interwoven with the element carbon. It forms the backbone of our DNA, the building blocks of our cells, and the fuel that powers our bodies. But what if life elsewhere in the universe chose a different path? What if, instead of carbon, life on other planets found a way to flourish using silicon, an element with similar bonding properties to carbon? Silicon-based life could look drastically different from us, perhaps thriving in environments we would find utterly inhospitable. Imagine creatures with crystalline bodies, shimmering like gemstones, or organisms that thrive in searing heat, their metabolisms fueled by volcanic activity. The possibilities are as boundless as the universe itself. And then there are the extremophiles, those hardy microbes that make their home in Earth's most extreme environments, from the boiling hot springs of Yellowstone to the icy depths of the Arctic. If life can exist in these harsh conditions on our own planet, imagine the possibilities on other worlds with even more extreme environments. Perhaps there are creatures that swim in oceans of liquid methane, their bodies adapted to the frigid temperatures and crushing pressures, or organisms that thrive in the toxic clouds of Venus, their biochemistry completely alien to our own. The universe is a vast laboratory, a playground for evolution to experiment with countless variations on the theme of life. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding mirror images of ourselves, but about encountering the truly alien, the unimaginably different. It's about expanding our horizons and challenging our very definition of what it means to be alive. When we think of life beyond Earth, we often picture planets, those majestic orbs orbiting distant stars. But what if the seeds of life are sown not just on planets but on their moons as well? Our solar system is home to over 200 moons, and some of them are far more intriguing than we ever imagined. Take Europa, for instance, a moon of Jupiter, encased in a shell of ice. Beneath that icy surface lies an ocean of liquid water, a hidden sea that could hold twice the volume of all the oceans on Earth combined. And then there's Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, spewing plumes of water vapor and organic molecules from its south polar region. These geysers, erupting from a subsurface ocean, hint at a world teeming with hydrothermal activity, much like the vents on Earth's ocean floor where life may have first originated. These moons, once considered barren and lifeless, are now prime candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life. They are worlds unto themselves, harboring the potential for life to emerge and evolve in ways we can only begin to imagine. Imagine diving into the hidden ocean of Europa, exploring its depths in a submersible, searching for bioluminescent creatures illuminating the abyss. Or picture landing on Enceladus, collecting samples of its geysers, analyzing them for signs of microbial life. The possibility of life on these moons is a testament to the boundless creativity of the universe. It tells us that life might find a way to flourish even in the most unexpected of places. And it reminds us that our exploration of the cosmos is just beginning, with countless wonders yet to be uncovered. Our universe is a carnival of celestial wonders, a cosmic showcase of the bizarre and the beautiful. And when it comes to planets, reality often surpasses even the wildest imaginations of science fiction writers. Take HD 189733b, for instance, a gas giant located about 63 light-years from Earth. This scorching hot planet is swept by winds that reach speeds of over 5,000 miles per hour, and it rains molten glass sideways. Yes, you heard that right, glass rain, driven by hurricane-force winds. Or consider 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth twice the size of our planet, that orbits its star so closely that a year lasts only 18 hours. The surface of this planet is thought to be a scorching hot ocean of magma, with temperatures reaching over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. But that's not all. Scientists believe that 55 Cancri E might be covered in diamonds. These extreme environments, while seemingly inhospitable to life as we know it, could harbor organisms that defy our very understanding of biology. We call them extremophiles, creatures that thrive in conditions that would kill most other life forms. On Earth we find extremophiles in boiling hot springs in the crushing depths of the ocean, even in the radioactive waste of nuclear reactors. These hardy organisms have adapted to survive in environments that seem utterly alien to us. So, who's to say that life couldn't exist on planets like HD 189733b or 55 Cancri E? Perhaps there are creatures that have evolved to withstand the scorching heat, the crushing pressure, the toxic atmosphere. Perhaps they even use these extreme conditions to their advantage, harnessing the energy of their environment in ways we can only dream of. For decades, humanity has been listening to the cosmos, ears pressed against the door of the universe, hoping to catch a whisper, a signal, any indication that we are not alone. This is the mission of SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Imagine a giant radio telescope. its dish pointed towards the heavens, scanning the skies for radio waves, the language of the cosmos. These telescopes are searching for patterns, for signals that stand out from the natural background noise of the universe. One such signal, the WOW signal, detected in 1977, still sends shivers down the spines of astronomers. It was a powerful, narrowband signal, lasting for 72 seconds, that perfectly matched the characteristics of an artificial signal. To this day, its origin remains a mystery. While the WOW signal remains unexplained, the search continues. New telescopes, more sensitive than ever before, are coming online, expanding our reach into the cosmos and increasing our chances of finding that elusive needle in the haystack. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is a long shot, no doubt about it. But the potential payoff, the knowledge that we are not alone in the universe, would be a discovery for the ages, a paradigm shift in our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Just imagine the impact of receiving a confirmed alien message. It would unify humanity like nothing else, reminding us that we are all citizens of Earth, sharing this pale blue dot in the vastness of space. It would spark a new era of scientific inquiry, as we strive to decode the message, to understand the culture and technology of a civilization that evolved on a distant world. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is a testament to our innate curiosity, our desire to explore the unknown, to reach out and connect with something beyond ourselves. It is a journey without a guaranteed destination, but a journey well worth taking nonetheless. Where did life on Earth come from? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. What sparked that initial spark, that transition from non-living matter to the first primitive life forms? Some scientists believe the answer might lie not on Earth, but in the depths of space. Panspermia, the idea that life can be transported between planets, might sound like something out of science fiction, but it's a hypothesis that's gaining traction in the scientific community. Imagine asteroids, those celestial wanderers carrying within their rocky hearts the ingredients for life-organic molecules, water ice, even dormant microbes. These cosmic hitchhikers, blasted off the surface of one planet, could travel for millions, even billions of years, eventually colliding with another planet, potentially seeding it with life. It's a cosmic game of billiards, with planets as the balls and life itself as the prize. Evidence for panspermia comes from a variety of sources. Organic molecules, the building blocks of life, have been found in meteorites that have fallen to Earth. Some scientists believe that early Earth was bombarded by asteroids and comets, delivering the raw materials for life to our young planet. And then there are the extremophiles, those hardy organisms that thrive in Earth's most extreme environments. If life can survive in the harsh conditions of space encased in a protective shell of rock, it lends credence to the idea that life could hitch a ride on an asteroid and survive the journey to another planet. Panspermia, if true, would have profound implications. It means that life might not be a rare fluke, confined to a few lucky planets, but rather a cosmic phenomenon, spread throughout the universe like seeds, scattered by the wind. It means that we might be related to life forms on other planets, sharing a common ancestor that originated billions of years ago on a world far, far away. While we listen intently for any whispers from the cosmos, we are also sending our own messages in a bottle, hoping that one day a curious alien civilization might stumble upon them and know that they are not alone. In 1974, from the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico, we beamed a powerful radio message towards the globular star cluster M13, located some 25,000 light-years away. This message, known as the Arecibo message, contained basic information about humanity, our DNA structure, our solar system, even a simple stick figure of a human. And then there are the Voyager spacecraft, launched in 1977, now billions of miles from Earth, carrying with them golden records, phonograph records containing sounds and images of Earth. From the music of Bach to the songs of whales, from photographs of children to diagrams of DNA. These messages, while unlikely to be intercepted, represent a hopeful gesture, a cosmic handshake extended into the void. They are a testament to our desire to connect, to let the universe know that we are here, that we are curious, that we are eager to learn. Some might call it a futile effort, a waste of time and resources, but the act of sending these messages is a testament to our humanity, to our innate desire to explore, to communicate, to leave our mark on the universe. Imagine for a moment that you are an alien astronomer on a planet orbiting a distant star. You've been scanning the skies for years, searching for any sign of intelligent life, and then one day, you detect a faint signal, a pattern that stands out from the cosmic noise. It's a message from Earth. What would you think? What would you feel? Would you be afraid, curious, excited? The possibilities are endless. But one thing is for sure, it would be a moment that would change everything. We stand at the precipice of a new era of discovery, a time when the age-old question, "Are we alone?" might finally be answered. With each passing year, our telescopes become more powerful, our instruments more sensitive, our understanding of the universe more profound. NASA scientists believe that we might find evidence of alien life within the next 2 decades, perhaps even sooner. Missions like the Europa Clipper, set to launch in the 2020s, will explore Jupiter's moon Europa in detail, searching for signs of life in its vast subsurface ocean. The Mars Sample Return mission, a joint effort between NASA and the European Space Agency, aims to bring back samples of Martian rock and soil to Earth for analysis, potentially revealing evidence of past or present life on the red planet. And then there's the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful space telescope ever built, which will allow us to study the atmospheres of exoplanets in unprecedented detail, searching for those telltale biosignatures that could indicate the presence of life. The search for alien life is no longer the realm of science fiction. It is a scientific endeavor, driven by data, by observation, by the relentless pursuit of knowledge. And with each new discovery, each tantalizing clue, our excitement grows, our anticipation builds. Imagine the headlines, the news bulletins, the global sense of wonder when that discovery is finally made. The world will hold its breath as scientists unveil the evidence as we catch our first glimpse of life beyond Earth. It might be a single-celled organism, a fossilized imprint in ancient rock, a biosignature in the atmosphere of a distant world. But whatever form it takes, that discovery will change everything. It will redefine our place in the universe, challenge our assumptions about life itself, and ignite our imaginations with possibilities we can only begin to fathom. Thanks for watching. If alien life does exist, would they even recognize us as life forms? Or are we the aliens to them? The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders yet to be uncovered. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey into the unknown, a quest that challenges our assumptions, expands our horizons, and reminds us of the profound beauty and mystery of the cosmos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic content. Let's keep exploring together.